Hello, and welcome to Halloween time. Today's book, if you have it, go get it so that you can follow along. It's just a fun book. It says, Don't push the button. A Halloween treat. See that button? Don't push it. Wow, we did such a great job trick-or-treating. We have so much candy. That scary house is the only one left. But I don't want to go. I heard that monsters live there. Stop! What are you doing? Are you trying to get us gobbled up? Please, 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 don't ring that doorbell. I'll give you all my candy if we go home right now. I guess I can't stop you. Push the button and say trick or treat. I'm too scared. You peek inside. Open the door slowly. Monsters! Shout, boo, to scare them away. Again, louder. Boo! That's better. Oh, looks like there's a note. For Larry. Can you cut the string and get it down for me? Should we cut it? The note says, clap twice to turn on the lights. Let's do it. Surprise, Larry! We have an extra special treat for you trick-or-treaters. Oh boy, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, push! Happy Halloween! I told you we should trick-or-treat at this house. Wasn't that fun? Only one house left. Might be surprises. Might be treats. Did you like that button? You like that? Pushing the button? Getting loud? Yeah. Clapping. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this fun book. If you did, tell me something in the comments that scares you when you go trick-or-treating. All right. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. More fun books on Cindy's Corner. Make sure you got a subscribe button for my friends.